G'day, this is Adam VA from AVA Magnetic Levitation Australia, and this is the video promised of the objects orbiting the object. But first, so that we get a little bit of confusion out of the way with people being lied to so much, this is Venus, not the object I've been filming. It's been marked in the sky and that's what it looks like. That's the object there, and when you look up in the western sky, above the object on this night was Mars. Just for reference, okay? Definitely Mars. Now, the first footage you'll see will be the object appearing and disappearing under different conditions when filmed. I'll just let you watch that first and then I'll explain the next bit as it comes up. Okay, now this really freaked me out because my camera was overwhelmed with energy, which has never happened the whole time I've ever owned it. Bam, this happened, then a flash, and then back to normal. Now, this was an unusual event. I've been told for this to happen it would have been some sort of gamma or radioactive inflow of energy to cause it. Basically that's what happened. Camera overloaded and then it came back to normal again. Very unusual event. I would like to try and find out what time I did actually filmed it so that I could match it up with any events that might have shown up on sensors. So we're still disappearing and reappearing for a little bit. And as you can see, the object quite literally is completely invisible. You know, maybe it is a hologram, and we're supposed to look at that like idiots instead of what we're really supposed to be looking at. Who knows? So anyway, next bit after this will be the transits. Now, this is a very special little snippet of footage. I believe I've captured at just the right time. There's only really good opportunity to film it and transits before it gets lower on the horizon and it starts to get that green plasma effect to it. So while it's still being bombarded by the sun, you can clearly see the double transit there. Two objects at different speeds. There's one, and then the second one again. Now I've filmed single transits as well. They're all different times, and all within about 2 or 3 days though. So yeah, definitely objects orbiting, definitely multiple objects orbiting at different rates, different size, and definitely at different speeds. You can see that by the first double transit that I filmed. So, being able to film this with a camera arm at the distance away that it apparently is impossible. This thing is within our solar system and it's halfway to us, or halfway between us and the outer edge of our solar system, from what I can gather. It's somewhere in our vicinity. So that's a transit later on at night when it was starting to get the plasma look. And this is bonus footage, and this is no bullshit, and I don't know. I'm not going to pretend I know what it is. I'm just going to say I filmed it, I found it in editing. I normally have hours of editing to do, and yeah, this popped up. It is not something localized, it's something that's up very, very high and going very, very fast. So, I have a very big announcement to make in the next video very shortly. Please share, subscribe, and spread like crazy. This video may disappear tomorrow. Adam signing out.